So, greetings to everyone, and thank you for taking out your time to join us today at Study Kosh. So, my name is Jasmine, and I'll be guiding you that how the kids and children nowadays can build their mobile applications, both iOS and Android. And I'll walk you through in this incredible journey. And today we are going to introduce something which is very special at Study Kosh. This is going to be India's first kids app builder program, Future Mind Artificial Intelligence or AI. It's not going to be any random typical course, but this is a live interactive mentor guided program where the children who are aged between 10 to 17 years, they'll be actually building up the real mobile apps. No simulations, no theory, just the real apps. And apps that they are going to design, build, as well as present themselves as a presentation. Now, if we talk about the modern world today, it is changing faster than ever before. The children these days need the skills that are not traditional as well as very simple to teach. Now, this training program is built under the guidance as well as designed by the team of IITs, IIMs, as well as the AI industry backgrounds people to help children move from just using the technology to creating it. That's going to be something very significant. Nowadays, the kids are only using artificial intelligence, and that too in a very limited scope. But this training program will help them not only to use the technology but to create the technology as well. Now, let me begin with the simple truth. The world is changing very fast. The world your children will work in will be completely different as the world in which nowadays we are working and we all have grown up. According to World Economics Forum, if I talk about, nearly 65% of the children who are currently in schools, not going much ahead, but according to this survey, 65% of the children who are currently in the school will work in jobs that even don't exist. Now, just think about the moment jobs like AI product designer, app developer, data scientist, automation specialist, or even the digital content creators. These careers barely existed 10-15 years ago. All these careers which are now there, they barely existed. And what is powering all these changes? That is the technology. And what is the technology? That is artificial intelligence. It is transforming not only the education system but also healthcare, finance, transportation, agriculture, whatever you say. So the apps, they are now the center of our modern lives. Every service that we are using today, maybe banking, learning, shopping, travel, everything happens through mobile applications. But here is some important questions that parents must ask themselves: that will our children use only these technologies, or will they be in the category of building them or creating them? Because the future only rewards the creators, not just the consumers. Now, let's talk honestly about today's reality, that what most of the kids they do today. Most of the kids, they spend 3 to 6 hours of the day on the screens. This is something which is very common now. According to a survey, the average teenager spends 7 hours per day consuming the digital content, maybe YouTube, maybe social media, maybe any of the apps. What actually they are doing? Most of them, either they are watching the YouTube videos, or they are playing the games, or they are scrolling social media, or they are using certain kinds of mobile applications. But none of these are bad in moderation. I am not saying here that this is all wrong things or this is bad, but it is everything that if consumed in moderation, it's good. But the problem is that almost none of the children or no child is taught that how these apps work. They use Instagram, they use YouTube, they use Snapchat, they use different kinds of gaming applications, but they never learn how these apps are designed, how these work, how the logic works, how the technology is built, or how to create the solutions, how the ideas they become the real products. But they are only trained to consume the technology but not to create it. And this is the massive reason that due to which the opportunity is missed. Now, because the same curiosity that kids are using to play the games or access to the social media platforms, this could be turned into something amazing, which is building something which is more productive as well as make them adapt to the latest technology. Now imagine two children who are growing up in the same digital world. One child, let's assume, spends years using the mobile apps, the other child learns how to build the apps. Now ask yourself a simple question: who will have the advantage in future? The answer is very obvious: the one who is learning how to build the apps. So therefore, when the kids they start to build the technology, this will help them leading the future. When the kids they start creating the things at an early stage of their lives, something powerful happens. What happens? They develop confidence. The things that they develop, that is, they become confident. Confidence is developed. Problem solvers kind of tendency, which we call as logical thinking. Creativity is developed. Now let me give you one example. If we talk about many of the world's successful technology founders, they started experimenting when they were very young. Mark Zuckerberg, he began programming as a teenager. If we talk about Bill Gates, at a very early age, he also started the software programming, probably at the age of 12 or 13. Even in India, many of the young innovators today, they build the apps before finishing the schools, and our children, maximum, they are not aware of that. What is the difference? The difference, the key, I would say, that is the exposure levels. Nowadays the exposure levels, they are very less. When the children realize that I can build something that people can actually use, their mindset changes completely. They stop excessive consumption of the content and they become the creators. I'm not here talking about the social media influencing creators. I am talking about here the creators of something that the other people would be using. Now let us look into the reality of our education system. Many of the schools, they are still focusing on or relying on the textbook theory, memorization, as well as scoring good in exams. Students, they are taught what to remember, but none of the teaching institute, none of the schools, they are teaching that what to build. But the real world, when they will be going ahead making their careers, the real world is asking, which is something very different. Companies nowadays, innovators nowadays, they are looking for the people who can solve the problems. The real skills require creativity, building the things, problem solving. You build the products, you think independently. This is the need of the hour. These are not the skills that develop through memorizing the answers. They develop when children work on the real projects, when they experiment, when they build something and see that it's actually working. Unfortunately, what's happening is schools rarely give this opportunity to the students, and that's what exactly creating the gap between what should be and what is expected on the real grounds. Now I want all of you to just pause for a moment and imagine something. Imagine your child is building their own mobile apps, not just watching the videos, not just playing the games, but they are designing something. They are creating something. Some of the example apps that you can show them, or we will be guiding them. They can create quiz apps, learning apps, AI chatbots. They can create a utility tool that can be used by the people. In this program, the children, they are going to create the real projects. Some of the projects I have just listed here, so we guide them. We as educators, you as parents, you can show them the example applications that you can create something like that. This is the problem whose solution you basically can create. And the moment the children, they see their own app running on their phone first time, see how amazing this thing is, their confidence explodes. They are going to realize one simple thing: I did not just use the technology, I created it. And this shift in the thought process is incredibly important for the young minds. Now, one thing that I want all of you to be very clear who are currently seeing this overview: this program is not just listening to lectures. It's not going to be a lecture oriented program. This is outcome focused. The major focus of us at Study Coach is that we focus on the outcomes. So by the end of this program, every student is going to build the real applications, real working applications, I would say. During the program, the students, they are going to learn how mobile apps work behind the scenes, how to turn an idea into a digital product, how to build the apps using modern tools in integration with artificial intelligence, and most importantly, how to create the apps that run on both the platforms Android as well as iOS, which means the Android operated phones, smartphones, as well as Apple phones. This exactly means that the children, they will be leaving or completing this program with something real that they can show to others, something that they have built themselves. And children who don't learn technology by watching something, and children, they don't learn technology by watching something or by listening something, they learn by doing it. So as a parent, as an educator, we must know the fact that none of the child can be trained if you are just telling the things, if they are just listening, but they are going to learn when they will be experimenting, when they will be doing the things. So this entire program, it is structured around learning by building. So the students in this program, they will be exploring the app ideas or creative app ideas, work on the guided projects, they will develop confidence with technology, as well as they see their ideas turn into the working applications that are running on their phones. Now this approach is called project based learning, and this is widely used in top universities or top institutions across the globe. Many of the researchers, if I talk about, they show that the students, they retain up to 75% of more knowledge when they are made to work on the real projects rather than only the lectures. So instead of just listening, our focus is that the students build by learning. Now let me just introduce to the mentors who are going to head this program. The first one is me only, that you are already listening to. I am a BTech and IIM alumni with over 10 years of experience in technology and education, and successfully mentored 10,000 students, and this benchmark is completed in program focused, I would say, artificial intelligence technologies, the future skills, and my expertise, they are into emerging technologies, as well as what I personally emphasize, which is project based learning. Along with me, it's going to be Manvi Sharma. She is the head of the Department of Artificial Intelligence, and she also brings over 10 years of experience in technology education. She has mentored thousands of students, and particularly she specializes in artificial intelligence, digital innovation, as well as practical student learning experiences. So the focus of both of us, this is going to be very clear, that students, they understand, they build, they innovate, as well as they are able to execute what they have learned in this training. And together we are going to guide all the students through this entire journey step by step. Now let's talk about what children actually gain from this experience, what our experience tells. Beyond technology, this program builds powerful life skills. See, anyhow, they are going to learn artificial intelligence, but beyond AI, they are going to be confident when it comes to using the technology, problem solving ability, logical thinking, as well as the final day of this training program is going to be the presentation, and this is going to help them with the presentation skills. Now, when the children, they present something that they have built themselves, so this gives them a lot of confidence, and this gives them something which is very valued, which is self-belief. So they realize that they are capable of creating the ideas, they are capable of problem solving, and this kind of mindset, this is not just about technology, this is going to be a kind of thing that they will benefit the most when it comes to career building. Now, as parents, we all want that our children should stand out, not just academically but in every way. So just imagine telling your relatives, teachers, or your friend circle that how the child has built their own mobile app, the kind of achievement which is very rare at a very young age. So this program, it helps the children to become unique, to help the children become very different, as well as making them technology confident or technology efficient. So this feeling that the child is prepared for the future itself is going to make you a proud parent. At the end of the program, we host something very exciting and very wonderful, which we call as the final demo day. Now, this is the day where the kids are going to demonstrate how their app works, what they have created. They are going to showcase their learning. And for many of the children, this is the first time they are going to present something that they have created themselves. And this is the moment which gives them tremendous confidence. So the parents, they are going to see the live transformation in their children. And this program is designed for the students falling in the age group 10 to 17 years. Total duration, as you can see on the screen, it's going to be for 30 days. The format of learning is going to be the interactive guided sessions, which are conducted on Zoom application, and the students, they work through the guided steps under 2 mentors support. By the end of this training program, every student will be building their own real mobile applications. And another very important aspect is the batch size. We keep the batch size as very small. Why? The simple reason is that because children, they learn best when the mentors, they are guiding them personally. 2 mentors would be taking ahead this training program with a very small batch size, around 10 participants, for better interaction, better guidance, more question answer Q&A sessions, and more hands-on learning. So because of this approach only, we keep the seats very, very limited. Once the batch is full, the registrations, they are closed. Now, before we close this program orientation, let me leave you with just one thought. Technology is not slowing down. It is accelerating every year. It is not slowing down. It is just getting 2x, 3x times every year. Now, the children who learn how to build and how to understand the technology at early stages in their early lives, they will have massive advantage when it comes to their career, when it comes to their settlement period in their lives. And this program is not about forcing the children into coding. This is about helping them to explore their creativity, understand the modern technology, and build something that they themselves are proud of. Something which they can show with confidence, and something that might inspire their future career as well. So thank you so much for being the part of this orientation session and investing the time for your child's future. And I truly believe that when children, they are given the right tools, the good mentorship, they can achieve incredible results. And Study Coach would be honored to guide the child in this journey. So thank you, and I hope that I see the kids in the session.